Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn configuration of HTTP or web server in Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's start with our video. So first we have to open Cisco Packet Tracer. Now in Cisco Packet Tracer, if you observe toward bottom left corner, it is showing some network devices and end devices available. So from that we are going to take devices. From that we are going to select the devices. So it is showing network devices, end devices. So first we will select the network devices. Within that we need a switch. So I will take a PT switch. So I will select PT switch. Again we need a PC. So from end devices, select the PC. Again we need two servers. So one is our web server and another will be our DNS server. So select another server also. Again, we have to establish connectivity between these. So here it is showing the connections options. So you can select the automatic type of collection. So to select automatic type of collection, again what you can do, first press the control, then select the automatic type of collection. Again, release the control so that this connection option will get selected and you can establish a connection. Again, I will give name to this first server as a web server. For our understanding purpose, I am giving the name. So it is web server. And here it is DNS server. Again, we will set the IP addresses. So select the web server. Again, within web server, we have to select option desktop, then IP configuration. Again, IPv4 address. Suppose we are giving IP address to this machine as a 192.168.1.2. If you click here, according to your IP address, it will select the subnet mask. Again, default gateway. It will be by default as it is, we will not change it. DNS server. So our DNS server will be 192.168.1.1. So it will be our DNS server. Again, you have to select the services option here. So select the option services. Again, we are going to select HTTP. Again, we are going to edit this index file. So just click on this index. And here we can modify this file. So suppose I am giving this file as a and message I want to type as welcome to STE. Just save this file. It's showing message this file is already available. You want to overwrite it, so just click on yes button. Now close this. We want to do setting for DNS server, whatever service we have created. So we have to register that service, that web service on DNS, that is a domain name service. Again, just click on this server option. Again, desktop, IP configuration. So IP address in web server we have given IP address for DNS is 192.168.1.1. Again, just click here. It will select the subnet mask automatically. Again, same IP address is nothing but the DNS server address for this case. So just select this. Again, select the services option. Now this is a DNS server. So we are going to select DNS services. So just click on DNS. Again, you have to on this DNS service. And after that, we have created website there on web server. So we have to means index file we have modified. The same is considered as a website, and we are going to register that website on DNS server. So give name as a www dot, suppose I am giving the name ste.com. IP address, again here IP address we have to provide, and this IP address is address of web server. So it is 192.168.1 and we have to add this. So this our service is added. Now close this setting for server, DNS server. Now we will do setting for PC. Again configure, again desktop, IP configuration. We will give the IP address as a 192.168.1.3 because 1.1, 1.2 already we have assigned. Again, just click here, it will generate the subnet mask. Again, here we have to provide the IP address of DNS server, that is 192.168.1.1. We just close this and click on PC option. If you observe here, top right corner, it is showing the web server. So open this web server, just click on it. Now see, whatever website we have given in web server or website we have registered on a DNS server, the same we can access on PC also. So either we can provide the IP address or we can provide the name for that website. So first I will provide the IP address. So it is 192.168.1.2. Just click on it. So it is showing message, welcome to ST. So instead of using this IP address, you can give the name of website also. So once again I will close. Again click on PC, web browser. Then provide the name of the website, www.ste. So it is showing output, welcome to ST. So friends, I conclude my session here. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.